So we've been doing our inspection on the outside. They've had a long-term rat issue. So if we come over here and we look, we can see someone's at some point in time has put in some spray foam, and we have some nice fresh new dirt going under there. And if we go here, we can feel a chew out for the rodents. We've got some gaps here and on the other side of the garage, and we can see we're here on the ground. And if we go to the corner here, we can see some fur and something's been chewing away at the corner, accessing underneath the bottom of the deck. Another hole there with a high rat activity going on, and a gapping there. Right.